Hey guys, welcome back to another POV. Today I'm out with the 50mm F1.8, which in my opinion is the best budget lens you can buy if you're starting out. Before we get started, I just want to say these here, my OpticalWander G-Lays, are currently on pre-order. Down in the description, head down and you can go and purchase one. Their pre-order is open until the 18th of December and they will be shipped after Christmas. All the information is down below. Also, if you want to join myself, Will, Willis and Moses, those three creators are linked down in the description. We are going to Hong Kong in February 2024. You can come along with us to do a bunch of workshops. That link is in the description. Okay, so there's a cool shot here. You've got like the autumnal colors of the tree and the neon lights in there look pretty sick. And then you have the shard. So I'm going to kind of use this nice natural frame for the top of the shard. So I'm going to get that shot. Just getting my eye in. We're going to put it in small focus point. Focus out on the top of the shard. It's a nice simple shot to get started with. I'm going to see if I can incorporate some of the neon lights because it's quite a vibe. Let's see if there's any that are in the right space. I mean, it looks really sick. I'll take the photo anyway, but you can't really see much of the shard. You can only see like literally like the top of it. I'm going to put in manual focus and then I'm going to focus through the tree onto the top of the shard. Again, I'm literally just getting my eye in, not saying that's like an amazing shot, but something a little bit different as there are lights around, so it's pretty cool. See if there's anything else around here we can get with this beast of a cheap lens, the 50mm F1.8. See if we can get maybe a cyclist or two. I mean, it's just showcasing the fact that this is, you know, a cheap lens essentially. Not cheap, but like affordable. It's probably the most affordable lens that you can buy directly from Sony. But also coupling that with the fact that 50mm F1.8 is the most affordable lens across the board, you know, Nikon, Canon, Fujifilm. It's typically the go-to good priced prime. Now I know we're just getting started. We're going to get some bangers tonight because I know this is a good lens. I've never actually done a nighttime POV with this, I don't think. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I have. So hopefully we'll be able to get some good shots with this and show you, if you are on a budget and you're just starting out, you can go and get a good affordable lens that will work at nighttime. Of Tower Bridge down the end. We could probably make this a little bit more creative. Let's go reduce the ISO to like, I don't know, 200. And we'll kind of get like a slower shutter. We can go lower than that. Let's go ISO 50. We're at f1.8 and we'll go third of a second. Need to put it on continuous shutter. So by increasing the shutter, so opening up the shutter for a long period of time, it creates a nice, cool, creative shot. You know, something a little bit different. The Tower Bridge is nice and sharp in focus, and you've got that nice motion blur of the people walking past. Nice architectural shot of the shard. I know we've got quite a few of the shard, but at the moment, that's the location I'm in. Oh, still in the wrong settings. Let's change that up quickly. We'll go 100 per second. ISO 1250. Still got it in continuous shutter, so I can change that because I don't need it on. But a nice clean shot of the shard, just kind of like framed between the two buildings. Okay, so the shot that I'm going to get here on Tower Bridge is not of Tower Bridge because I'm going to head down there to get the shot of Tower Bridge that I want to get. But I'm going to utilize these here. So if I get down low, I'm going to get a shot of the shard through this. I think actually if I go a bit lower and get something like that, that's pretty cool. Okay, quite a cool shot here of these people walking up the stairs. Just going to change the focus point, focus area, putting it to wide. No, you're good, you're good. It's all good. No, that's all right. Just kind of getting the Tower Bridge in the background and getting the people coming down the stairs. Okay, sweet. Let's go and get the shot that I wanted to get down along kind of like the walkway. If you come down off Tower Bridge, take a left, you can walk through here, and then halfway up there is a fence, a grid that you can kind of shoot through, which we'll go to now. So the shot that I'm on about is, if you come down here, you have this kind of like grate that you can shoot through, and it just gives a little bit of texture. During the day it's a little bit better. We can change the focus area to small through the center, and then I'm going to push focus on the actual grate itself, and then just get it kind of bokeh in the background. Okay, so we've got one of each, one focused on Tower Bridge and then one focused on the actual railings itself. Come up to one of my favourite spots down this side of London. You got Tower Bridge down there, and then you got the Shard over there. Shard's a little bit close for 50mm, but the Tower Bridge is a good distance away to get a shot, I think, to get it all in. So we'll get that now. Bump it up. Don't know why I say that, but we've bumped up the ISO. Way down there is this, I've got a shot here before which you probably all remember, maybe some of you remember. Anyway, there's a nice reflection shot here, so we'll get that nice and quick. We're gonna get one like that, but it's pretty cool. Anyway, we shall move on. Is there anything this side, anything we can get down here? Looks nice that way, but we'll keep moving. There's a cool frame here of people going up the stairs, so I'm going to put it on ISO 1600. Just wait for somebody to go up the stairs. It's currently like a clear spot. Oh, someone going down the stairs. Okay, so I'm going to focus on Tower Bridge. So manual focus, pulling focus on Tower Bridge, and then wait for people to walk through the frame. I think I'll do this in landscape. And the idea behind this is that I'm getting Tower Bridge in focus, and then everyone going through the frame is out of focus. Ah, yeah, sick. There we go. Okay, that's the one. The one on the screen is the one that I like, because he's looking towards that way, and it's a good shot. Okay, we'll continue on and move towards Bank area. I'm just walking towards Bank, and there's a cool shot here I'm going to get just of people going down into the tube station. Ooh, I think I got one then. Okay, so this location is actually one of my favourite locations to do panning shots, so it'll be rude not to. I mean, I was mentally saying to myself, I'm going to try not to do panning shots as much today, but I do enjoy them, so why wouldn't I? We're going to put it in central focus, so center fix, and then we're going to track some buses, some stuff through here to get some nice panning shots. So I'm at 5th of a second, f1.8, ISO 50. Got some cyclists going through the frame. I need to put it on continuous shutter. Let's get the dude on the moped. Oh, some of the cyclists at the traffic lights. They're all just giving me evils at the moment. Okay, jumps on Lombard Street. It's quite cool with the sky garden in the background. I'm going to get it as low to the ground as possible because I think the perspective is a lot nicer. And then I'm just going to wait for someone. As I said that, a few really nice shots then, because people were walking through the frame. Yeah, sick, I'm happy with that. Of all the cyclists in the road.
What are you doing?
I'm aware of that, thanks. Walking up towards St. Paul's, all of the Christmas lights are on, which might be quite nice. So we'll go to manual focus, and we'll pull focus through, so past all of this. It should create some nice bokeh, especially at f1.8. And with all the people in the road and stuff, looks quite cool. Change the settings slightly. We'll go 500th of a second, ISO 500, 125th of a second, manual focus. Can't go too far. It would be nice if I went like further to the right, but the awnings are out on the restaurants and stuff, and kind of covers the frame. Quite a nice shot, just shooting straight down with all the people. It's actually really nice. So you've got a reflection. Normally I would be here with a wide lens, but today with the 50mm, so instead of trying to get like the reflection shot, as in like both together, I'm just going to get the reflection itself, which is still quite nice. Going to pull focus with manual focus through the water, and then you get these kind of like ripples. I mean, it's a nice frame anyway, just of St. Paul's. Yeah, I mean, very simple but nice. As you can see, definitely 100% worth coming here. I'm going to get a quick iPhone shot actually, which I'll put on the screen, which I can show you. And I think if we put it in 1x, I know this is about the 50mm. But it's a nice shot and I want to not miss it. The iPhone shot is on the screen, and also you saw the 50mm shot as well. There's a dude walking next to me on the left hand side on his phone. See if I can get a shot of him. Ah, across the road. Cool little alleyway shot here. See if I can get the settings in time. Dude walking towards me. Okay, I'm going to be quick here. I'm going to throw it into manual focus. Hopefully I'm quick enough. Pull focus on the cab driver through the window. With the reflection, it looks kind of nice. Wandering up to Covent Gardens, and there's a restaurant just to the right of me that's really nice. Nice lighting in the window. Just two dudes sitting there. So let's go manual focus. Full focus on them. I'm going to crop in post to get the frame that I want. But it's a nice shot in Covent Garden at the moment. Quite a nice shot here, this dude just sitting down. Okay, so I have ended up in Chinatown, as I always do whenever I'm out doing these videos. So I'm going to put the focus on wide focus area. So I'm just letting the camera do its thing. I'm going to change the drive mode to high plus. I'm just going to stand here and wait for somebody to walk into the frame. In his own little world, enjoying his book, just zoning out the loudness of London, which is actually one of the things that I enjoy doing when I'm shooting. It's just me, you guys, and the camera, and I don't actually really take in much about the people that I'm going past. I'm concentrating on the photography, and although there's a lot of noise, although there's a lot of people, I actually find it super relaxing to be out just shooting. Now, I don't think that just applies to photography in a city, it applies to photography in general. And I think a lot of creatives will agree with me. It's about being in the moment as a photographer and just getting completely lost in your skill and your creativity, that nothing else really matters and nothing else really exists. Before we sign out of today's video, we're going to have a quick look at the hashtag OpticalWander. If you do want to get featured on this channel, you can use the hashtag OpticalWander. I'm going to go to filter, go to the recent top posts, and go down from there. And we are just going to have a quick look through to see which ones catch my eye. This is a really cool shot in London. It's just by St. Paul's. Really lovely architectural shots. Moving down, this nice rainy street shot here in Vienna. Love that. Let's keep going down. That's a really cool shot of St. Paul's. Where have you got that from? That's interesting. Never seen that. That looks really cool. Great shot. This snowy location, where's that? Also Vienna. I think that's from the same person as the rainy shot, is it not? I think it is, yeah. And then we've got this car shot, really nice in some showroom from Josh Dummer. And let's go with this one, great portrait shot. That's in Poland. And let's do one more. We will go with, God, there's just so many. We'll just go with this one, which is a very nice landscapey, peaceful shot, which is something that I'm going to be going into on this channel more in the future. Obviously, I'll break that into the videos as I go forward. Let me know your thoughts about the 50mm f1.8. Is it one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest, best lens that you can use as an all-rounder? It's great for portraits, great for street, great for everything else. Let me know in the comments, do you own one?